Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Bitcoin news and price predictions. Christmas watch. Will 2023 finally end? Bitcoin prices stagnancy amid $17,000? Bitcoin's last several days were quite boring. Will the end of the year change that? With the end of the year approaching fast, the primary cryptocurrency continues to remain stuck at familiar ground at just over $17,000, begging the question if that's about to change anytime soon. Most altcoins are also quite stagnant on a daily scale, aside from OKB, which has jumped by over 5% after the recent OKX proof of reserve statement. Bitcoin boring below $17,000. The past week saw a substantial price decline from Bitcoin when the asset fell to a 3-week low at $16,300 on December 20th. However, the bulls intercepted the move and pushed the asset back up by $500. The US announced its GDP data on Thursday, and the PCE numbers came out on Friday, both of which were expected to bring some more volatility to the market. However, while the US stock market went down, BTC remained relatively flat, aside from a brief price drop. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. The weekend started with Bitcoin standing close to $17,000, and the asset has not moved an inch since then. It trades at $16,800 as of now as well on low trading volumes. Somewhat expectedly, its dominance over the altcoins and its market cap have not moved either. The former stands at 40%, while the latter is at $325 billion. OKB stands out. Most of the altcoins have failed to produce any significant movements in the past 2 days as well. Ethereum had a battle with $1,200 earlier this week, which it seems to be winning so far as it trades $20 above that line. Binance Coin, Cardano, Ripple, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Polkadot, and Tron are essentially at the same price spots they were yesterday, with swings of less than 1%. OKX's native cryptocurrency is the best performer from the larger cap alts, just a few days after the exchange published its latest proof of reserve report, showing a 101% reserve ratio. OKB is up by over 5% on a daily scale and trades at $23. With the lack of any big moves, the crypto market cap remains stuck at $810 billion. Bitcoin veteran. Christmas rally is imminent for BTC and ETH. Bitcoin might continue its $17,500 price uptrend before proceeding and attempting to break the $18,500 price resistance. Seasoned crypto analyst, Bennett, reveals that cryptocurrencies, especially BTC, are currently moving sideways in price with no specific direction to its range. The holiday period may signal the next bull rally for the two largest crypto assets, according to a digital asset strategist with the alias Kaleo. According to the industry veteran, December may kickstart another fresh price uptrend for Bitcoin and Ethereum. In his address to his Twitter followers, the expert disclosed that a festive rally for Bitcoin is possible because the industry is not anticipating it, and the hash rate is stable. Bitcoin, he said, is bracing up for a Santa rally. However, Kaleo added that most of the sentiment about Bitcoin is one of a possible collapse. Still, the opposite will take place for the leading crypto assets. He noted that his entire social media timeline shows predictions of a total crash to a low range. However, when most timelines reveal one thing, they are usually inaccurate forecasts. According to Kaleo, Bitcoin will continue its $17,500 price uptrend before proceeding and attempting to break the $18,500 price resistance. Kaleo added that Bitcoin is displaying some strength that mirrors that of its hash rate indicator. The hash rate remains high despite BTC trading below $20,000 after the collapse of FTX. As revealed by CoinMarketCap, BTC is currently changing hands at $16,841. He said, the Bitcoin hash rate is the most impressive performance metric about the asset. For more than a month, BTC has been changing hands below $20,000 with no apparent retreat from miners. It is worth noting that the Bitcoin hash rate measures the processing power of the network speed with which a miner completes a block. The higher hash rate means the network has become more robust and secure. A possible uptrend for Bitcoin and Ethereum. As the year wraps up, experts continue to express their views on the price trajectory for Bitcoin and Ethereum amid a massive test for the traditional stock market. Justin Bennett, a seasoned crypto analyst, reveals that cryptocurrencies, especially BTC, are currently moving sideways in price with no specific direction to their range. Bennett added that as the industry moves into the Christmas period, BTC is still sideways, and he predicted a price retest of $16,500 for a possible bounce. However, it is unclear whether Bitcoin's price movement will test that range or break above the $16,900 mark before the year ends. Speaking of Ethereum, the experienced trader noted that, like BTC, ETH is also moving sideways as the holiday approaches. On Friday, Bitcoin fell by 0.21%. Following a 0.04% fall on Thursday, BTC ended the day at $16,802. Notably, BTC failed to revisit $17,000 for the third consecutive session while extending its losing streak to 3. After a range-bound morning session, BTC fell to an early afternoon low of $16,770 before striking an early afternoon high of $16,966. The movement came in response to U.S. economic indicators that showed the early effects of the Fed's aggressive monetary policy moves. The range-bound session left the major support and resistance levels untested, with BTC recovering from the session lows to wrap up the day at $16,802. U.S. economic indicators in the Nasdaq index send mixed signals on Friday. U.S. economic indicators revealed a cooling U.S. economy in a softer inflationary environment, while consumer confidence trended higher. Personal spending increased by just 0.1%, while personal income rose by 0.4%. Durable goods orders fell by 2.1% in November, reversing a 0.7% increase in October. The weak personal spending numbers showed consumers tightening their purse strings because of increasing economic uncertainty. However, inflation figures were BTC-friendly. The all-important core PCE price index was up 4.7% year-over-year in November versus 5.0% in October, with the Michigan Inflation Expectations Index down from 4.6% to 4.4%. The decline in inflation expectations contributed to a pickup in consumer sentiment, with the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index rising from 56.8 to 59.7 in December. The Nasdaq index responded to the numbers, rising by 0.21%, with the S&P 500 gaining 0.59%. Thanks for watching. See you next video.